A warm Brie tartlet with apricot and almond. You can get these tart shells online, Amazon, any big box stores. You can use these, or there's some Phyllo dough ones as well. Preheat the oven to 350. Cut the top of a soft Brie cheese and just scoop out the middle. You don't want to stuff it too much because it'll overflow and it'll get your pan all cheesy and melty and messy. So just put a little bit in there. Take your pan, what you're gonna use in the oven. I just took apricots, cut them in strips, and then cut them in half. And I'm gonna add the apricots onto there as well. 2 apricot slivers, slivered almond, and then put on tray into the oven for 10 minutes or so. And you have this gooey, delicious, yummy Brie tartlet. Amazing. How easy is that? I'm like Ina Garten.